Craving something truly irresistible? Honeybird Chocolates has you covered. Indulge in the rich, bold flavors of dark chocolate in 50, 70, and 85 cocoa for the perfect balance of intensity and smoothness. Feeling adventurous? Try our cinnamon white chocolate or matcha tea chocolate, delicate, surprising, and absolutely unforgettable. And for the classic chocolate lovers, we have our creamy milk chocolate, delightful milk with nuts, and smooth white chocolate, all crafted to satisfy your sweetest cravings. With affordable prices, you can savor every moment without a second thought. Find Honeybird Chocolates at EcoBurst or order online through our social media. Go ahead, treat yourself to a little bit of heaven.